Hey guys, we're doing something different today because as I thought I didn't have any more renovation projects, I don't have them here in Florida, but we have some decor changes. And for the first time, I'm able to walk and talk you through some projects. Today's project is we're going to change this carpet. Okay, we've gotten about 2 years out of it. Show them. It's in fairly good shape, but you know, Miss Tallulah Bell has done her work on it. The little Miss Millie is 6 years old, and from time to time, you know, she still has accidents, so we can't spend a lot of money on anything really glamorous. She's pad trained, she's house trained, but you know, they get sick, they have accidents, so we don't spend a lot. This particular one, I believe, did we get this one at Lowe's for like $1.99?
Yeah, it was there.
And what do we have, about 2 years? Yeah, about 2 years. So that's a good thing for us. We don't mind it. I think that's a fair price to get that amount of time out of it. If I wanted to keep it another year, we probably could have squeezed it in. But it's driving me a little nuts because when you see them have several, it doesn't smell, we deodorize it and all that. But we want to change it. And I'm ready for a refresh on decor here. I need to warm it up a bit. So we're going to show you the new carpet when it's down. I just wanted to give you this piece and show you like a recipe as we go on the steps, because this is new, doing decor stuff. So we're going to go and unravel it. We have a new one from Home Goods. We didn't go to Lowe's because we did, but we didn't like what they had. So we went over to Home Goods, which is another good place for fair price rugs of this size. This is an 8x10. You know, they run over $350 and upwards. So we wound up getting one today, luckily for $2.99. So $100 more, but we think it's going to look great. So we'll see you in a few minutes when we have it laid down. Okay, guys, what do you think? This is the new rug in place. It's an 8x10, and it has a little bit of brown in it, or I think a tan. And I did that on purpose because the base of my dining room table, I have a glass table, we'll show you in a second, but that's going to be another video. We have a brown bamboo base, so I thought it'd be nice to pick up on those colors instead of all blue. And I'm a little tired of overly done beachy. When we first moved here, I was crazy for the turquoise and aquas, and now I want a little bit more warmth. So I hope that this will do that for us. And if I wanted to put some browns on top of the table, I could and pull it out of the rug. But so far, it goes beautifully with the leather turquoise sofas. And I'm happy with it in the cream. And I'll show you a little peek to show you our dining room base table. It used to not show because of these chair covers. We have to have chair covers because, again, Millie Bean, my dog, she sits on all the chairs. She's made this her house. And you didn't see the base as much. But now the new slip covers will only come up to here. And then you'll see my wood base, and that's the reason I wanted to pull the tans out into the carpet so that they could mix. And I have some tans on the tabletop. I like a mixture, the light and dark and beachy and traditional. And in the next video you're going to see we're going to redo all the chair covers, and I'll talk about these because they're a great way to revive old chairs. These chairs are 21 years old. We inherited them with the apartment. I won't go on more about this because that's another video, and it's going to be wonderful for you guys. I want to share that. But that's the reason why we did these colors in the carpet new, and because of the furniture, and because if you just take a sneak peek at the bar, these are covers as well. I could do a whole video on this, but these are elastic. And you see? And we did that again to protect them from spills, you know, me included, never mind company. I'm the culprit that would probably more than likely spill red wine on it. Some nights I sit there in the corner. It's my favorite spot because I sit here and I turn and I have the beautiful view at night. And that's another video. We're going to do some drinks. We're going to do drink night. But for now, it's about the living room carpet. And the next video up, we'll do the dining room chairs and share that with you. See you in the next one. Hope you like it.